Hi, I'm Anthony Francis. Now let me ask you a question. Have you ever felt like you're drowning at work and that your lifesaver is nowhere to be found? Well, one of my recent clients, let's just call him John, he surely did. You see, John was a talented and dedicated employee, but there was one big problem. His manager was more of a roadblock than a mentor. So instead of getting the support and guidance that he needed, John found himself floundering. His confidence plummeted, and soon enough, he was questioning his ability to do his job at all. Now, John's experience is not uncommon, and it underscores a crucial point, and that is the power that leaders have and those in authorities have can significantly impact on how we feel about ourselves and our ability to do our work. So what can help? Well, this is where coaching comes into play, because let's face it, just because someone is a leader doesn't mean that they know how to lead. So just for a moment, let's think of a manager like a gardener. My wife happens to like gardening. Now, a good gardener knows that plants need water, sunlight, and a bit of TLC to survive. Now, similarly, employees need support, encouragement, and constructive feedback to grow and to flourish. In John's manager's case, unfortunately, he was more of a neglectful gardener, and John's professional plants withered as a result. You see, a leader's influence can be incredibly potent, for better or worse. They have both the power to boost morale and foster a productive environment, but they can also be a cause of stress and insecurity. This is why coaching is so important, not just for those struggling like John, but for leaders themselves. You see, the value of coaching isn't just about telling you what to do. It's about helping you understand yourself first as a person and second as a leader. So when you truly know yourself, you can lead others more effectively and start putting your staff first. If you're not investing in your team's well-being and development, then who's really on your team? If you have no followers, then you have no team, and it's as simple as that. So this is where coaching helps leaders develop the skills they need to support their teams properly. It provides them with the tools to communicate effectively, offering meaningful feedback, and creates an environment where everyone can succeed. It's like giving the gardener the right tools and knowledge to nurture a thriving garden. So, what can you take from all of this? Well, if you're feeling a little bit like John, overwhelmed, undervalued, and underconfident, or if you're a leader yourself who wants to avoid becoming the next cautionary tale, it's time to consider coaching. Investing in a coach is probably the best thing you can do for both yourself and your organisation, because it's not just about personal growth, it's about fostering a culture where everyone can succeed and feel truly valued. Remember, great leaders aren't born, they're made, and the making of a great leader starts with a great coach. So help yourself, seek out a coach. You'll find it's the best investment you can make in your career and in your team. And as John will tell you, sometimes the difference between struggling and thriving is just a bit of the right support at the right time. Be the gardener your professional garden needs. Grab that lifesaver. Seek out a coach today. Your future self and your team will thank you and me that you did.